Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I will show you how you can use Vidu AI to generate AI videos. So first open up your browser and then type Vidu AI and you can open up this first link. Now, once you have opened up the website, what you need to do is sign up. So you can sign up using your Google account or email. Now, once you have logged in, you need to click on this button, create video. This will take you to the main page. Now you can start by entering your prompt and I will write a man cycling on a road of a mountain and I will write purple sunset. Now as you can see, this is a pretty simple font. So if you feel like your prompt is not good enough or very simple, what you can do is click enhance prompt. Now this option is enabled by default, so I just disabled it, so I will click it again. Now this will enhance my simple prompt into much more detailed, which will be much better to generate the video. The next button we have here is Inspire Me. So it basically automatically inputs any random prompts. So like this. This is a pretty random prompt. Now another great feature of video is that it lets you insert a reference photo. So basically let's say I have a man cycling on a road and I want the video to be similar to this. So I can insert the photo right here. Now on the left side, under settings, you can also change the style of your video. So this is a general style and if you want the animation style, and you can also change the duration. So by default, it will create a 4-second video, but we can also create a 8-second video. But unfortunately, you have to upgrade your account in order to generate 8 seconds of video. This is only available in the premium plan. Now, once you are satisfied with your settings, you have given it a good prompt, and if you have a reference image, you can give it here, and you have selected these settings. Simply click on create and it will cost you 4 credits. Now, as you can see, it has generated a video for me. So as you can see, it's pretty good. A man cycling on a road on a mountain and a purple sunset. And I can also upscale it right from here or re-edit. Now, if you need more credits, click here and here you can subscribe to a subscription plan. So a free user will get 80 credits monthly and you can get more credits on different plans. Now, after you have created your videos and you want to check your creations, you can click on my creations right here and you can view, favorite, re-edit, upscale or share your videos right from here. And that's it for today's video. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.